On this July 4th holiday, I say to you, America, happy birthday. I made you a cocktail. Now, let's toast to a more perfect union, one that's more inclusive of all of its citizens. May the wings of liberty never lose a feather. Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of COVID Cocktails. My name is John Weisbarth, and today on the show, we are making a mojito. And listen, yes, I know I just made a mojito, but before you click off, hear me out. First of all, this is a different mojito. It's for Independence Day, it's got blueberries in it, it's gonna be awesome. And second of all, I only just made a mojito if you're watching this sequentially, and it's the year 2020. And my guess is it's like 2032, and you're just watching this in your fully autonomous bar car. You don't know what a fully autonomous bar car is? It's a car that drives itself with a bar in it. Now that that's clear, let's just get right into it, okay? Oh wait, actually, I gotta tell you what goes into it before I start making it. Gosh, it's like it's my first video. All right, it starts with rum, clear rum, white rum, whatever kind of rum you want that hasn't been aged or spiced. Then it is mint. Obviously, it's a mojito. It's a blueberry mojito, so then it's blueberries. Definitely need lime in there. And then the other thing, I always forget this. If you remember from the last time, I make my mojitos with 7-Up. The traditional way to make it might be to use some sugar, maybe like 2 tablespoons of sugar, which seems like a lot of sugar. Although, if I was to read this, total sugar, 24 grams. That's in the whole can. I'm only gonna use a little bit. Maybe I'll just figure it out and I'll kind of put up a little sign right here or here. Or maybe I'll just stop. Even if you use the whole can of 7-Up, 24 is still less than 28.3. Go with a 7-Up. And then you heard the voiceover of what 24 grams equals. Okay, pretty simple. I've just got my rum, my mint, my blueberries, obviously the lime, and then 7-Up in lieu of sugar and soda water. Oh, and the big thing, you gotta have a muddler for this one because we do a lot of muddling. All right, let's get right to it. First things first, we're gonna muddle everything in the pint glass, all right? I will start with the mint. And the thing about the mint, and the thing about a mojito, even a blueberry mojito, an Independence Day mojito, is that I love mint. I want a really minty mojito. I mean, it's the whole thing to it. So I got fresh mint. I'm gonna get a bunch of it off here. Okay, all that mint's gonna go in here. A little dirt. Just get that right off. Look, that's how you know it's fresh. If there's dirt coming off of it, you know it's just in the ground. So here we go. Got some mint in there. Oh, good news, everybody. My little boy Jake just showed up. Come on, Jake, come on over. You can't just walk, come on. I'm muddling away, you can't just walk in and not be on TV. All right, get over here, quick. Hey, everybody. This is Jake. Jake, we're making an Independence Day mojito. Okay. Do you want to sit here and watch? No. I didn't think you did. All right, well, go entertain yourself. Did you have a good day? Okay, awesome. We'll play right after this, okay? The mint has been muddled. Next, the blueberries. How many blueberries? I don't know. How about that many blueberries? Okay, that goes in. Boom. I'm gonna muddle these guys now. I'm gonna really kind of get into this stuff. This is where my nice Independence Day color is going to come from, not to mention all that flavor. Okay, look how muddled that is. Woo! Next, lime. So here we go. I am going to have the lime. Got it right this time. That's how you got that nice little wheel there. And then I'm just going to quarter it. Technically, that's, I guess, eighths because it's already a half, but you get what I'm saying. Why do I do that? Just because it's easier to muddle. Then that all goes right back in, and then again. Muddle, muddle, muddle. Okay, that's amazing. Nothing in here except This is just lime and mint and a handful of blueberries. So that looks good. Now I need to do 3 ounces of rum. Actually, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get the ice and then I'll do the rum. So, cool. Now, Jake, remind me that I did ice before I did the rum, okay? Yeah, perfect. Okay, here we go. So, 1.5 ounces. 1.5 ounces. Awesome. Okay. So we haven't put any 7-Up in it yet, okay? So there's no sweetness and there's no carbonation. You don't want to shake it up with the carbonation in there because then it'll actually literally make this thing explode off. So, now, here we go. Good shake. Oh man, I can already see the color. Cool. I'm gonna pour this into a pint glass first, and we do a dirty pour, so we don't strain it at all. Right? So, dirty pour, just right out of here, no strainer. I want everything to come in. Oh, look at that. Now, top it off with a 7-Up. Boy, I gotta be honest. Did not leave a lot of room. But that's okay, that's kind of the point, right? Because you don't want this too sweet. And it's already gonna be, with those blueberries in there, a lot of that natural sugar is gonna be in. So those 24 grams per serving size, even in a tiny little 7-Up like this, you don't want all that in there. So I'm just gonna give it a little bit of a stir. You can start to see why this is the 4th of July. I mean, look at the color on that bad boy. Okay, now we're still going to, are you farting or is that just the couch, Jake?
Just the couch.
Okay. You can't see it. My son's standing right there. It's okay. Oh yeah. Oh, there he is. There he is. This little guy's gonna go like this. Boom. It's all about presentation. That's not good. That's not good. Oh, there we go. Now look at that. Look at that color, huh? Look at that. That says 4th of July. This is why this is an Independence Day mojito. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't know if it tastes any different. I kind of like it over there better. I don't know if it tastes any different, but we're gonna find out right now. Okay, here we go. Independence Day mojito. Definitely got some green stuff on my teeth. Oh, wow, that's good. Oh, yeah. You know what this tastes like. Go ahead, say it with me. Freedom. It tastes like freedom. Well, God bless America. Happy 4th of July. And, I don't know, enjoy 2032. The Independence Day Mojito. We'll see you next time on COVID Cocktails. Cheers. Up top, little man.
Make sure to ring that notification bell and smash that like button. See you next time.
What he said.